Good evening, everyone. This is Linda. So it is about, I don't know, about 2 o'clock on a Sunday afternoon. And I'm just getting home from church. More than one. I've been churching, y'all. I've been churching. But I've been having an amazing day. Just giving God all the glory and all the praise. I thank him for allowing me to give him praise. Amen. Yeah. But listen, guys, I came in because I wanted to share with you all. This is just my lunch on a Sunday afternoon. Now, I do have one more service I need to go, but this one is not going to be long because y'all, I'm not going to stay. I'm going to just do my thing and I'm going to come on out of there, right? But these are some cucumbers. All of the lettuce and arugula is from my garden. Some dill on top, pickles, and some chips. And I also cooked this. It's just some ground turkey, all kinds of seasoning. You know, I season up everything, And some Italian dressing. And Jada made me some lemonade on yesterday, and this is it. And of course, these beauties are from my garden. Yeah. But anyway, guys, I hope you all have a beautiful Sunday afternoon. I hope to see you in the live tonight. Yeah, guys, we're going to talk about why I drop so many seeds and why I grow a 4-season garden. Family, I'm going to start from the beginning. I hope to see you in the live tonight. I hope something I say can help you in your garden, in your life, in this season. Later, y'all.